Pakistan seeks to procure US military equipment to meet the critical needs and to fill the gaps that in its defense capabilities. Um, the proposed equipment will also help our campaign against terrorism by notifying the Congress of the proposed sale. The US State Department is meeting the US internal process in such cases. We hope that the final clearance will come through soon. We welcome the notification by the State Department. This is recognition of Pakistan's needs in countering in counterterrorism operations. The Congress would have 1 month to ask any additional questions or queries they may want to with the State Department. And at the end of that, the sale would be confirmed.